All right, what's going on, guys? So up for sale, I have a 2008 Ducati Hypermotard 1100S, mostly stock. I bought it pretty much how it sits. Okay, so we'll start off with the ugly. The rear wheel has a little nick in it from the dealership. It balances out fine. The tire seat's fine. It doesn't affect anything. You can see it there. It doesn't affect anything performance-wise or safety-related. I just have little mini rear turn signals on here. You could put bigger turn signals back on it. I tend not to use them anyway. The Aileron cover is aftermarket carbon fiber, so they don't quite match, but it's better than the one that the dealer scuffed on me. The tent cover had typical Ducati Hypermotard clear coat peeling, so I just threw some wrap on it. It's not perfect. I should have sanded it down first, then it would have been a little bit better. And I got a couple of creases in it too, but overall it's not bad, and it looks better than the chipped up clear coat. You can see the red light blinking. It does have the factory security system on it. I do have both original keys for the bike. It has the Ducati factory handguards with fold out mirrors. The mirrors are not great in my opinion. I just noticed there's a tiny chip in the paint there. And then on the right side of the bike, there's a little bit of a scuff here, and there's a tiny scuff here. That's from the previous owner. Front wheel is good. Front tire is good. Could use a back tire. Could probably use brakes. When I had the 8,000 mile service done, I had timing belts put on it. It just had a fresh oil change and a new battery get put in it. And I'll show you how many miles are currently on it. Currently has 12,384 miles. And there's a cold start for you. Typical loud dry clutch Ducati. So that's it for sale. 6,100 or best offer. Interested in a partial trade on a Yamaha T7 if you got one.